hands up right now!
On July 5th, 2024, in Port Orange, Florida, police spotted a stolen car at an apartment complex with 20-year-old Aman Balk inside. When officers tried to arrest him, Balk reversed the vehicle, hitting an officer and fleeing.
Stick hit. Going south on Clyde,
Hands up!
Stop!
He crashed into multiple police cars before losing control and running on foot. Officers quickly captured him.
Get down! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! You should have ran! Bring him up!
Balk was charged with multiple offenses, including aggravated battery and grand theft auto, and held without bond.
Sit down!
On May 18, 2024, Deputy Larson was patrolling Sunset Harbor Road in Summerfield, Florida, when he noticed a sedan with a trailer but no tag. The driver, Charles Williams, sped through a stop sign and fled. After a short chase, Williams jumped from his moving vehicle and ran. Deputy Larson used a taser to subdue him when he refused to stop.
Please stop!
Put your hands behind your back!
That shit hurt, man!
Put your hands behind your back!
Put your hands behind your back!
Prepare for pit. Pit successful.
On February 26, 2024, Gwinnett County Police tracked a stolen vehicle linked to a carjacking and shooting. The suspects refused to stop, leading to a chase. A pit maneuver ended the pursuit, and both suspects, James Stephen Casey, 19, and DeAndre Marcus Everett, 22, fled on foot but were soon captured.
One detained, maintain 10-3. We got both. Yeah, they're on the way back. But go pick them up.
Casey faces multiple charges, including fleeing police, reckless driving, and drug offenses. Everett is charged with obstruction, drug possession, and gang-related crimes. Both are in custody at Gwinnett County Jail. What began as a quiet evening in Lonoke County quickly spiraled into a dangerous pursuit that left the town on edge. It was 5:25 p.m. when a report came in. A dump truck had been stolen near the Furlough community. Behind the wheel was 29-year-old Trevor Strickland, and he wasn't about to give up easily.
He's trying to hit me with a rock.
We're southbound on Lingo Road.
Get out of the way!
Eastbound 230.
As Strickland tore through the county roads, the stakes rose dramatically. When he reached Lingo Road, an Arkansas State Police car stood in his path, blocking the way. But instead of stopping, Strickland floored the gas pedal, slamming the massive truck into the patrol car. In a split second, the trooper managed to escape, his life spared by sheer luck and quick reflexes. The chase was now a full-blown manhunt. Strickland continued his rampage, weaving through the back roads with deputies in hot pursuit. When he turned onto Charlie Loop Road, the officers knew they had to act fast. Gunfire rang out as troopers aimed at the truck's engine, determined to end the chaos. A bullet found its mark, and the truck, once a roaring beast, began to sputter and slow. On Carson Bridge Road, it finally came to a stop. The nightmare was over. Strickland, unharmed but cornered, was taken into custody. Originally facing serious charges, including attempted murder, he struck a plea deal that would see him serve a 180-month sentence, with credit for time served and a heavy fine to pay.
Come out of the car or you are under arrest.
In Alliance, Ohio, a man's attempt to report domestic violence on July 23, 2024, took a dangerous turn when the suspect, a 31-year-old woman, confronted him again in the police station parking lot. Refusing to obey 5 commands to exit her vehicle, which was blocking the victim's car, the situation quickly escalated.
He needs to stay away from me.
What's your name?
Stay away from me.
Here's the deal. You can either come out of the car or I'm going to break out the window. I'm going to break out the window if you don't exit. No, you can go over there. No! 48 headquarters. She's trying to take off. We got a pursuit. She almost just struck Olivia. Now she's got the collar pinned in.
When officers forced entry into her vehicle, she rammed one police cruiser and then another before being taken into custody. Amid her sister's frantic screams, the woman admitted to being under the influence of medication and narcotics. She now sits in Stark County Jail on a $100,000 bond, facing charges including felonious assault and resisting arrest.
What's the status on the SP?
We have a center terminal. They're not answering the phone.
On the night of July 15, 2023, at approximately 10:00 p.m., Little Rock Police requested assistance from the Arkansas State Police for a high-stakes chase involving a stolen Porsche Cayenne. The vehicle, identified by its license plate, was being driven by a man in a red hoodie.
Southbound Stagecoach. Stand by. Looks like we're going to be going back westbound on baseline. Westbound on baseline.
If we're on a helicopter or not.
Put it on a park channel, please.
Hey, we're going back on Stagecoach.
Down there on secondary on third. We're continuing northbound on Stagecoach. See about 45 right there.
As the vehicle merged onto Interstate 430, the officer made another attempt. This time, the maneuver caused the Porsche to spin sideways. However, the driver quickly regained control and continued down the ramp. The officer decided to use his vehicle to push the suspect's car off the road. The Porsche crashed through the grass and came to a stop in the inside lane of the highway.
And I'll be trying to take off.
Right Probably getting that done. Cleveland Mills Lane. Emergency service, where he's driver.
The driver and the handgun were handed over to the Little Rock police. Unfortunately, the two passengers were not found. The officer's vehicle sustained damage to the fender and door from the chase. The Porsche was towed by Metro Towing, and the Little Rock police filed a report documenting the incident. Thank you for always accompanying us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow the next videos about the brave actions of the police force in maintaining law and order. Wishing everyone safe driving, and see you again.